Oh, I could tell her. I don't want to pressure her if she's doing her own thing. We see?
Hello.
Oh, hello!
Hello.
Your house is amazing. How long have you spent on this?
What this whole building?
Yeah, your whole house here.
3 days. 4 days. 4 days.
How many hours each day?
Okay. That's the question, huh?
That's the question.
Hard one.
24.
I think it's more. No. 24. No. Maybe around 18, 20.
Have you
18
slept?
and 8 is. That's the question. So good. Yeah. I sleep. Yeah. An hour, 2 hours.
Kyla, you have to take care of yourself.
Yeah, I know, right?
You have to sleep.
I sleep. I do sleep.
2
Believe
hours
it or
is
not.
not enough.
Okay. This is I got a TV.
Oh my goodness.
Wait. Okay. So yeah, this is just the bedroom. Nice.
I sleep here.
Yeah. Together. Nice. Now I slept already. You just asked me to sleep, right? I already slept. Yeah.
No, that doesn't count. Real life too.